Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll create a simple computer game, and today's video is a little bit different because we'll do everything live without any preparations, without any knowledge, so bear with me. Sorry for all the mistakes. Today's evening, Sunday, and before bed I decided to create something in Java. I thought about weird maybe game, but maybe it's also interesting. What will be is I'll create two. Basically, computer will play a game with itself. Computer will be two players, both are controlled by computer, and one computer will generate one number, second computer will generate another number, and then which number will be bigger, that computer will win. And then both computers again will generate new numbers, and then which number will be bigger, that computer will win. And basically which computer will win first, will reach 10 wins, will be called a winner. So let's try and create this in code. Let's call it Computer Wars. Okay, let's create. Let's use this Windows. Fine. Okay, main Java. Okay. Oh, it created. I guess that's fine. It created entire Spring project here. So maybe we'll use it on the internet, this game or something. So let's leave as is. Let's delete all the unnecessary code here. Okay, so basically we have initial code. I don't understand why IntelliJ creates so many unnecessary codes. And then let's delete this one. Okay. So what we'll need for this program is I will need two random generated. Let's create two methods that will. Okay, so let's have integer computer1, integer computer2. Okay, so we'll have two computers that will have integers. No. Yes. So those will be integers. Both computers will be integers. Both will be 0. Let's create a loop while computer1 equals 10 or computer2 uždešim. Do this. Computer. Okay. So while either 1 or 2 are less than 10, the while loop will spin. In while loop will generate random numbers. Okay, so before that, okay, here. This is random class. It will generate random numbers, and it will put that random numbers into variable random. Let's create armies, yes. Integer army 1, integer army 2, integer army 1, army 2. Okay, so right here, let's generate army 1. Army 1 will be equal, will be random. For clarity and simplicity, let's generate numbers between 1 and 10. So let's put 10 plus 1. The random is generating numbers starting at 0, so that's why we need to add 1 to have numbers between 1 and 10. So this will generate army 1. Let's generate army 2. And we can just copy this code. So now we have 2 armies filled with soldiers, and let's compare them. Let's use if else statement. If army 1 is bigger than army 2, let's print army 1 battle number. Oh, let's just put battle. Army 1 won the battle. Later we can, of course, expand this code and make nicer and more entertaining, but for now let's create a simple bone app, just bones, so we can see if it works, and then we can next time we can come back and play with it more. Okay, so if the first army, okay, and then let's add compare. No, let's not country 1. changing as we go forward. Country 1, country... No, let's use it computer. Let's not use the real world scenarios. It's war is a sad thing, so let's leave it as a computer war. Computer 1, computer 2. Okay, so system computer 1 plus. This adds 1 to the computer 1. Right now it's 0, so after this if statement, the computer will get additional 1 added to its count. Else, let's copy and paste. Army 2 won the battle. Computer 2 plus plus. And else. Okay, and we are almost done. Yes. Interesting. Oh. Okay. Else. If. Okay. Army 2. Do this. Okay. Okay, maybe we're done here. Let's see if it runs. Oh. Okay. Okay, it runs. But we don't know who won. Okay. So okay, so maybe we need to check inside the while loop who won. Yes, we'll do that. We'll how to do better. Okay, let's do this. Let's put out the final score outside the while loop. Computer 1. Now let's see. Text. Okay, so our program runs fully. It is very basic, but on the other hand, it's kind of interesting because it does everything by itself. We don't need to interfere, and it generates all those numbers. Army 1 generated bigger number than Army 2, then here both generated the same numbers, then Army 2 bigger number, then Army 1 bigger number, and at the end Computer 1 10 battles and computer 2 115 battles. It does not make a little bit sense. So how about here? Maybe I'm using wrong comparison. Okay. Let's have a computer 1 and computer 2 inside print statements here and see how it works. Okay, I see. For some reason it counts only one. Interesting. Let's see how to. Logical. It is true if one of the statement is true. Yes. Okay, maybe I need parentheses. Maybe I need parentheses. Interesting question. So why it's not right here? It should stop running. It should stop while, and we increment here. Okay, that is question for another time. At least our program runs. We just have to solve this little issue. What is why it's running after the number 10. Of course we can lower the battles to 9 here. Let's see what will happen. We're gonna lower battles to 9. It still does it. Huh. Interesting. And doesn't make any sense. Of course we can we? It will not look nice, but we can do this statement here. If computer 1 10 break. So it checks if computer 10 equals computer 1 equals 10, then it breaks, and then we can do the same thing here, except computer 1, let's change to computer 2. Now it works perfectly well. So the problem is with this here, and although it looks logical and it looks correct, but something is not right. So let's delete this and let's put we can create another flag variable, boolean 1 equals false, and then instead of break, let's change it to and the same, let's put here, and here, while not 1. Okay, let's try now. Yes, okay. So the code is not the most beautiful one, but it works. The idea and the implementation both work, and the only thing did not work, the timing of this coding experiment. I thought we're gonna do much faster, but so here we go. Here is a little game that we just created in a 10-15 minutes, and we can use it as a base for next interesting ideas or programming examples. Thank you and have a nice day.